Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 28, 2025, our system has ranked QQQ as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.33. Let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of -0.71% since we initially recommended it as hold accumulate. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.14% since the recommendation was made. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a moderate upward trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of continued growth within this trend. The ongoing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 3.43% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 1.61% to 9.31%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 21.97% over the upcoming year, with potential returns between 13.78% and 29.60%. This implies a price range of approximately $589.53 to $671.45 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ ETF highlights that its price decreased by 0.8% on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, the QQQ ETF price dropped from $522.29 to $518.11. During this trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.92%, ranging from a low of $511.05 to a high of $520.85. Over this period, the price has shown volatility, resulting in a loss of 0.7% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also declined alongside the ETF price, which is generally considered a positive indicator, as volume tends to follow price movements. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 681,000 shares, with a total of 38 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $19.52 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $539.15, while the lowest was $413.07. Currently, the price sits at 3.9%, or $21.04, below the 52-week high of $539.15, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. As of the 3rd of February, 2025, the Invesco QQQ Trust, which tracks the performance of the NASDAQ 100 index, faces significant short-term volatility driven by recent developments in both tariff implementations and advancements in artificial intelligence. Today, U.S. tariffs went live, impacting Canadian goods with a 25% tariff, while imposing a temporary pause on tariffs for Mexico. Notably, a 10% tariff on China contributes to market fluctuations, causing a temporary dip in Hong Kong markets before they rallied on the back of strong performances in artificial intelligence and semiconductor stocks. This environment is likely to induce investor uncertainty, potentially leading to further volatility in tech-heavy exchange-traded funds like QQQ. Meanwhile, the unveiling of new artificial intelligence technologies by Chinese startup DeepSeek has raised concerns among U.S. investors about competitive threats to domestic AI firms, resulting in temporary sell-offs in major tech stocks. Such market reactions can affect QQQ's price in the near term as sentiment shifts towards caution amid fears of erosion in U.S. tech dominance. While these short-term pressures may impact QQQ's price, the longer-term outlook may still benefit from ongoing advancements in technology and AI, particularly as U.S. firms adapt and respond competitively. Hedge strategies, such as engaging with covered call exchange-traded funds, could offer attractive income streams in this volatile environment. The sustained interest in AI presents potential for growth, positioning QQQ favorably for future recovery and gains, albeit with an eye on the risks posed by global trade tensions and competitive pressures. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near short-term outlook. The QQQ ETF currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative forecast for the ETF. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $521.42 and $520.97. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 23, 2025. And so far, the price has declined by 2.73%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which helps to lower the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 100 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $516.47. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $9.80 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 1.92%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the fund has been 1.74%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for the QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate either low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, which might present a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for QQQ is at 518.66. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ meets its first support level at 516.47. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $494.64, reflecting a decrease of 4.53%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to a minimal level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? QQQ exhibits several negative signals, indicating it may be a candidate for selling. However, considering the potential for a turnaround, it might be more prudent to hold or accumulate at this time while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, February 4th, we anticipate QQQ to open lower by $1.44, beginning at $516.67. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities is advisable. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.